Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to convert USDC to USDT on Binance. Alright, so your first step would be to click on the add funds option, but make sure your account is verified. That is your Binance account. If it's not, use our link in the description of the video. Alright, so go ahead and click on add funds. Where we have deposit crypto, click on deposit and use the search icon at the top to simply search for USDC, and then click on USDC coin and go ahead and select the network you'd like to receive it in, as well as taking note of their minimum deposits and any other information. So on the Solana network, your address is here, copy and then deposit. All right, so once you've deposited your USDC on this app, click on the convert icon, and where we have SUI to USDT, in place of SUI, click on the coin, select the USDC you have deposited, enter an amount you wish to convert, and then simply click on trade. Once you've selected the trade option, you'll be met with the confirm order, which you can complete under 8 seconds. And once you do that, click on confirm, and boom, it's been completed. And if you head back, click on the wallet at the bottom right, scroll from the overview to your spot or funding, depending on where your USDT tokens are, and you'll find the USDT on your wallet. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.